welcome to another lesson of Wisdom Waves. Today a very small tip for all of you. Whoever gets stuck in speed, distance, time questions in which you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second or vice versa, I have a very simple hack for you. So you don't have to go through all the calculations. Again, this is especially for CBSE children because as we know that IGCSE and IB kids are privileged to use the calculator. So come on, let's solve a question with me. Okay, so now suppose if we have to convert 36 kilometer per hour to meter per second. I will first show you the proof for the conversion and then you can just simply apply it. Now whenever we convert kilometers to meters, we generally multiply it with 1000. And when we convert our hours to seconds, that means we have to do 60 by 60. Okay, now students, why are we writing this in the denominator? Because my hour is in the denominator. Now if I reduce this, my 0 and 0 strike off, another 0 strikes off, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 18. Right now I'm just talking about this conversion factor. So what do I get? 5 by 18. So that means that I multiply this with 5 by 18. I reduce it further and my answer is 10 meter per second. So now in future, whenever you have to convert your kilometer per hour to meter per second, just do one thing. Just multiply straight away by 5 by 18. That's it. And you get the answer. Now let's see the other way around. Suppose I have to convert 40 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Now, of course, you can guess. In this, you have to use 5 by 18. In the other way around, we will use 18 by 5. But let's prove it together. So, to convert meters to kilometers, I divide it by 1000. And to convert second to hours, I again divide it by 60 into 60. Why is that? Because 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Why I'm writing this on the top? Because second is in the denominator and when you divide it, it becomes reciprocal and goes to the numerator. Again, let's reduce this. 0 and 0 strike off. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. And 40 into 18 by 5. I simply strike this off. 18 into 8, which is 144 kilometer per hour. So a simple thing, whenever we convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, so what you have to do, students, you just have to multiply it with 18 by 5. And whenever we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply it with 5 by 18 and we have you covered.